Today we are going to start session number 5 of chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. Okay, and we are going to start again with cube and cuboids. I already told you in the beginning of the chapter that first 4 exercise is based on surface areas and surface areas only, and the next 4 exercise is based on volumes. Okay, so let us have a recapitulate of cuboid. What is the lateral surface area, cuboid?
2 into L plus B into H.
Very good. 2 into L plus B into H. What is the total surface area?
2 into LB plus B plus HL.
Very good. What is the volume?
L into B into H.
Very good. L into B into H. Now, the diagonal is given by this formula, root over L square plus B square plus H square. Okay. So now we will move towards cube. What is the lateral surface area of cube?
4A square.
Right, 4A square. What is the total surface area?
6A square.
6A square. Very good. And what is the volume?
A cube.
A cube. Right, very good. And what is the diagonal? Root 3A. Okay. So the next the 13.5 exercise is based on volume only. So you should know the volume of cube, that is A cube, and the volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So let us start with the first question. 13.5. A matchbox measures 4 centimeter into 3.5 centimeter into 1.5 centimeter. So this the dimension is in the form of L into B into H. So the first measurement is for length, and the second one is for breadth, and the third one is for height. Okay. See, this is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height. Okay. So length of a matchbox is 4 centimeter, breadth of the matchbox is 2.5 centimeter, and height of matchbox is 1.5 centimeter. And what is the volume of one box? L into B into H. That is 4 into 2.5 into 1.5. See, if you multiply these two, you will get 10. So 10 into 1.5 is 15. So 15 centimeter cube. Now we have to find the volume of 12 such boxes. So we have to multiply with 12. So 12 into 15 is 180 centimeter cube. So this is the first question. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll move towards question number 2. A cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide, and 4.5 meter deep. How many liters of water can it holds? See, this is the relation between meter cube and liter. 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liter, right? And 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. These two relation you have to remember. 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liter, and 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. So this is the rough sketch. Length is given 6 meter, breadth is given 5 meter, and the height, the depth is the height 4.5 meter. Okay. Right. So what is the volume of this tank?
Length into breadth into height.
Very good. So we'll substitute 6 into 5 into 4.5. So 6 into 5 is 30, or else if you multiply these two, that would be better. 6 into 4.5 is 27 into 5. 27 into 5. So we'll get 135 meter cube. So this is in meter cube, but you have to write the answer in liters. So already the relation is given, but in question, in examination, this relation will not be given. So that you have to remember. So 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liter. So 135 meter cube will be equals to 135 into 1000 liters. Why? Because 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters. So the final answer is 1,35,000 liters. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving towards question number 3. A cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. How high must it be made to hold 380 cubic meters of a liter? I repeat, length is given, breadth is given. We need to find height such that the volume is 380 meter cube. Question is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll start with the volume of the cuboidal vessel is 380 meter cube, and length is given 10 meter and the breadth is given 8 meter, and this is the formula of cuboidal vessel, volume of formula. Volume formula L into B into H, and this is equals to 380 meter cube. Now we'll substitute the value of L and B, that is 10 and 8. So H will be equals to 380 upon 10 into 8. 1 0 cancel कर लिए. So 38 upon 8 is the final answer, that is 4.75 meter. Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Now we'll move towards next question, that is question number 4. Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep at the rate of rupees 30 per meter cube. So digging मतलब खोदना होता है, right? So if we are digging a cuboidal pit, so this is the figure, rough figure. This is the cuboidal pit, okay? And what we have to find, the rate is given per meter cube. That indicates you have to find volume. Or when we are digging, we are removing the earth taken, okay? We are taking the earth ना, जो मिट्टी की जो part है, that we are removing. So that will considered as a volume of that cuboidal pit. How much earth we have taken out? That will be the volume of cuboidal pit. ठीक है, तो वो digging का rate दिया हुआ है. So we need to find volume here. So length is 8 meter, breadth is 6 meter, and the depth, that is height, is 3 meter. So volume of cuboidal pit is L into B into H. That is 8 into 6 into 3. Okay. If you multiply, you will get 144 meter cube. Now per meter cube the cost is given rupees 30. So total cost will be 30 into 144. If you multiply, you will get 4,320 rupees. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So
No, sir.
now we'll move towards question number 5. The capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liters of water. Find the breadth of the tank if its length and depth are 2.5 meter and 10 meter. Just now we solved one question in which height was not given, right? Here this is similar question, but only thing is that the volume is given in liters. The volume is given in liters and the dimensions are meter. Okay, so we need to convert liter into meter cube. So just now we have seen 1 meter cube is equals to how many liter?
1,000 liters.
1000 liters. So if you want to divide it, if you want to convert it into meter cube, you have to divide it by 1000. Okay, so let us start. Let the breadth of cuboidal tank be B meter, and capacity of cuboidal tank is given 50,000 liters, right? So length into breadth into height is equals to 50,000 liters, and length is given 2.5 meter and depth is given 10 meter. Okay, and in the same step we are converting liter to meter cube. So 3 0 cancel हो गया यहाँ पर. 2.5 into 10 will become 25. So B will be 50 by 25. What is the final answer?
2.
Yes, 2 meter. Hence the breadth of cuboidal tank is 2 meter. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now this is very good question. A village having a population of 4,000 requires 150 liters of water per head per day. It has a tank measuring 20 meter into 15 meter into 6 meter. For how many days will the water of this tank last? So I will give one example. Suppose we have 1000 liters. Okay, 1000 liter tank घर पे है अपने में. And 5 members are there and each using 2 liters. So how many liter of water is consumed in one day?
10
10.
liters.
So how many days you can use this tank?
1000 divided by
100.
10.
Yes.
100.
Yes, the capacity of tank, the volume of tank divided by the volume required for one day. Whether that concept is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So now what is our aim? We need to find the volume required for volume of water required for one day for 4,000 people. So let us start. Capacity of cuboidal tank is length into breadth into height. That is 20 meter into 15 meter into 6 meter. 15 into 6 90 होता है, 90 into 20 is 1800, right? So this is the capacity of the cuboidal tank. Now 150 liter is required for one person, right? Now see, the requirement is given in liters, so that is why we need to convert meter cube into liters. So 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters, so we have to multiply. So this is the requirement for this is the capacity of tank. Now requirement for water required for one person is 150 liter. Okay, so 4,000 people are there, so 4,000 into 150. So how much we are getting? 15 into 4 60 होता है, उसके बाद 40 लगा दो, right? 6 lakhs liter और यहाँ पे 18 lakhs आया. So tank is of 18 lakhs and volume required for one day is 6 lakhs. How many days?
3 days.
Right.
3 days.
So number of days the water will last is equals to capacity of tank upon total water required per day. That is 18 lakhs upon 6 lakhs. 3. So answer is 3 days. Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now we'll move towards question number 7. A godown measures 40 meter into 25 meter into 10 meter. Find the maximum number of wooden crates. Wait, one correction is there, because if you have old book, this you have to correct it 15, because I have taken this from old book, right? There is a correction in the old book, because in new NCERT book it has been corrected as 15 meter. Find the maximum number of wooden crates, each measuring 1.5 meter into 1.25 meter into 0.5 meter, that can be stored in the godown. Now I am asking one question. Suppose we have one box, cartoon box, in which the capacity is 100 meter cube. Okay, a big cartoon box is there, 100 meter cube is the capacity, and we are keeping one books, a big book. Suppose the volume of that book or any other small box, you take 2 meter cube. So how many box you can keep in this box?
50.
50.
50.
50, right? So this divided by this. Similarly here also what we have to do, volume of godown divided by volume of one wooden crates. The same concept we have to use. Okay, right? So let us start with the volume of cuboidal godown, 40 into 25 into 15. So see, this is 1000 into 15, 15,000 meter cube. Okay. Now volume of one wooden crate, 1.5 meter into 1.25 meter into 0.5 meter. Okay, if you multiply, you will get 0.9375 meter cube. Wait, let me check once, because 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5. Right. Okay. Now, number of wooden crates will be volume of cuboidal godown upon volume of one wooden crate. So 15,000 upon 0.9375. If you divide, you will get 16,000. Okay. Right. So maximum 16,000 wooden crates can be stored in the godown. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
So
sir.
now we'll move towards the question number 8. This is also very good question. A solid cube of side 12 centimeter is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of the new cube? किसी का माइक ऑन है देखो. A solid cube of side 12 centimeter, बड़ा cube है, and we are cutting into 8 small cubes of equal volume. So what will be the side of new cube? And we have to find their ratio also, is a ratio of surface areas. So let us start with the first, the big cube. Volume of solid cube is side cube. So 12 cube हो जाएगा. 12 cube कितना होता है? Anyone?
1728.
Very good. 1728 centimeter cube. Now, given solid cube is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. That means the volume of 8 cubes will be equals to 1728. Okay. Volume of each cube will be equals to 1 upon 8 volume of original cube. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So 1 upon 8 into 1728. Okay. If you cancel, you will get 216 centimeter cube. And 216 is a cube of which number?
6.
6. Right. So side of the new cube will be cube root of wait. This is area, volume, sorry. Cube root of volume. Okay, you have to correct it as volume. So cube root of 216, and this is 6 centimeter. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. So now first part is over. What will be the side of the new cube? Now what is the formula of surface area of one cube? I told you that surface area, if it is mentioned, that means it is total surface area.
6 into 8.
6a square. Very good. Okay. So now surface area of original solid square is 6 into side square, that is 6 into 12 square. Okay, 6 into 12 into 12. इसको अभी multiply मत करो. 864 आ रहा है. Don't multiply this one. Now surface area of the small cube. 6 into side square will get 6 into 6 into 6. 216 आ रहा, but again don't multiply. Now we have to find the ratio. Okay. So why I told you to not to multiply? See, if you don't multiply, you will get 6 into 6 here, and you can cancel it easily. These two also, 1, 2. So what we are going to get? 4 upon 1. Otherwise also, if you cancel it, you will get 4. But यहाँ पे 3 जगह पे कैलकुलेशन करना पड़ेगा. You have to do the calculation in 3 places, here, here and here. So or if you comfortable with multiplication, you can do. That is up to you. So you are getting 4 upon 1. That means the ratio is 4:1. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now this is the last question of the exercise. A river 3 meter deep, 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 kilometer per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? Now this question is very useful for you for class 10th also, because class 10th में speed related questions हैं. अगर if you practice from class 9th onward, it will be easy for you in class 10. Now see, the shape of the river will take will take a cuboidal shape. Okay, और cuboidal shape से कहाँ पे जा रहा है? See this figure. This is the shape of river and the water is flowing into the sea. Whether you are able to identify this figure or recognize this river and sea, imagine.
Yes,
You can imagine the shape of the river is taken as cuboidal. Okay, in which the depth will be the height and the width will be the breadth, and we will take 2 kilometer in 1 hour be the length. Okay, so let us start with the height. Depth 3 meter, breadth is given 40 meter. Now see, rate of water flow in 1 hour is given 2 kilometer. How will you convert 2 kilometer into meter?
By multiplying it to 1000
Okay, so how much you are getting?
2000.
2000 meter, right? So 1 hour the rate of flow is 2000. What about in 1 minute? The rate of water flow in 1 hour is 2000. What will be in 1 minute?
2000 by 60.
Very good. 2000 by 60. This is clear? Okay. So now the length of river water in 1 minute will be equals to rate of water flow in 1 minute, that is 2000 by 60. Now we have to find how much water will fall into the sea in a minute. That means we have to find the volume of water. So I already told that this will take a shape of cuboidal. Okay, cuboid. So the volume will be length into breadth into height. Length is 2000 by 60, breadth is 40 and height is 3. Okay, so how you have to do the calculation? See here, this is 20 and you can cancel this 20 with this, you will get 100. So what is the final answer?
4000.
4000.
Right, 4000 meter cube. Right, any doubt in this part, this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now we are
No,
moving
sir.
towards the next section, the next exercise. Only 2 questions we will complete because time is there. Cylinder. Okay, 13.5 is based on cuboid volume. 13.6 exercise is based on cylinder, volume of cylinder, and 13.7 is based on volume of cone, and 13.8 is based on volume of sphere and hemisphere. So let us recapitulate the formula of cylinder. What is the curved surface area of cylinder?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. No, 2 pi r is the circumference of the base.
2 pi r h.
Yes, 2 pi r into h. What is the total surface area?
2 pi r into r h.
Very good. 2 pi r into r plus h. What is the volume?
Pi r square h.
Right, pi r square h. Area of base into height. Okay. So now we'll start with the first question of 13.6 exercise. See, the circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel. Circumference is given. Base. बेस जो होता है वो सर्कुलर शेप होता है. The shape of the figure of the base will be circle. Okay, so circumference is given. So what is the circumference of the base?
2 pi r.
Right, very good, 2 pi r. And it is given 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. So how many liters of water it can hold? That means we have to find the volume and the relation is given. Usually exam में relation नहीं दिया रहता है. Okay, that means we have to find the volume and we have to convert it into liters after finding the value of volume. So let us start with the rough figure, and the circumference of the vessel is given 132 centimeter, that is 2 pi r. Since the base of the cylinder is circular, circumference is 2 pi r and that is equals to 132. Now substitute the value of pi is 22 by 7. Okay, now shift this to this side. So we have to take reciprocal. Right, now cancel it. 6. So what is the radius?
42 by 2. 21.
21. Right, good. 21 centimeter. Right, now we are going to find the volume of cylindrical vessel. What is the formula?
Pi r square h.
Very good, pi r square h. And height of the vessel is given 25 centimeter. So volume of vessel is equals to volume of cylinder because it is a cylindrical shape, pi r square h. Now we will substitute the value of pi, r and h. Okay, so 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 into 35. So no, the value of h is 25. So I am writing it's 25. यहाँ पे थोड़ा mistake हो गया. Now 21 we will divide it by 7. We are getting 3. So 22 into 3 into 21 into 25. We are getting 34,650 centimeter cube. Now we have to convert it into liter because we have to write the answer in liter. So what we have to do here?
Divided by 1000.
Very good. We have to divide it by 1000. So 1 0 we can cancel. Now here 2 zeros are there. So we have to start from left to right. Okay? We will count the number of digits. 1, 2. Then we have to put here. So we'll get 34.65 liters. Okay? So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving towards the next question, that is second question. The inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe. Right? एक बार एक थोड़ा सा ये explanation जो मैं कर रहा हूँ ध्यान से देखो. What is the volume of this cylinder? Volume of cylinder क्या है?
Pi r
Pi
square
r
h.
square
Right,
h.
pi r square h. Suppose एक metal pipe वाला question किए थे, if you remember. Right. Suppose this is small r and this is capital R. So volume of the outer cylinder is pi capital R square h and the volume of inner cylinder is pi small r square h, and this is the empty one. This is the empty one. Pipe जो होता है वो अंदर से hollow होता है, ठीक है? So now what is the volume of this pipe? How will you find? Volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
fine. So we'll start with the rough diagram. Inner diameter of pipe is given 24 centimeters. So what will be the radius?
12
12
meters.
centimeter. Right, very good. Now outer diameter is given 28 centimeters. So what is the outer radius?
40.
40. Very good.
Okay.
Okay. And the length of pipe is given 35 centimeter. This we will take it as a height for cylinder. Okay. And we have to find the mass of the pipe. So mass के लिए volume निकालना है हम लोग को, क्योंकि because the it is given that 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. So volume of wood will be equals to volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. Whether this part is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
volume of outer cylinder, just now I told pi capital R square h, and this is pi small r square h. We can take common from these two. What we can take?
5.
Yes,
Pi
5 h. Now substitute all the values. The value of pi is not given in the question. So 22 upon 7 into 35 into 14 square minus 12 square. This we can cancel. Okay. So 110 हो जाएगा. 196 minus 144. Okay.
50.
So you will get 52. So 110 into 52, you will get final answer 5720 centimeter cube. Now this is the volume of wood. Now the mass of 1 centimeter cube is given 0.6 gram. Okay, 1 centimeter cube का जो weight है वो इतना दिया हुआ है. So 5720 का कितना हो जाएगा? 0.6 into 5720. So you'll get 3432 gram. If you want to convert it into kilogram, what you have to do?
By 1000.
Yes, divide by 1000. So final answer?
3.432.
Very good. 3.432 kilogram. So this is the answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
So this is the last question
Yes,
of today's session. Now we'll move towards the assignment questions. So only 4 questions are there, and all these 4 questions are based on cube and cuboid, not cylinder. Cylinder I will give in the next session. That is tomorrow. Tomorrow we have class, na? Right? So please take the screenshot. Have you taken?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.